Hey there, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the TikTok Pixel. So you just set up your TikTok Ads Manager account. The first thing you'll need to do is set up your TikTok Pixel. Now this is after you enter in your payment method, of course, because TikTok is going to want to know how to bill you. But second most important thing is to set up the Pixel, because that is how TikTok will be able to attribute the events of the campaigns, whether it's add to cart, purchase. That's how TikTok is able to track how your campaigns are doing. So to get to this section, I simply went to assets and I went to event. Now I work with e-commerce stores, so I'm going to go to web events, but if you are an app, then you would go to app events to set up your Pixel. So click on manage. And as you can see, I've already started testing out a couple pixels, but to create your own, you would go to create pixel. You would enter in a name. Now there's two ways to do it. If you are on Shopify, or if you're able to integrate your shop with Google Tag Manager, this is by far the best way to do it, through the third-party tool. So you would click there. You would click on your e-commerce platform. And then what would happen is that it's going to prompt you to go to Shopify to set up the rest. Another way you can do it is you can go find the official TikTok app on the Shopify App Store and download it and go through the steps there. Or if you click here to go to Shopify store, it will also take you to the same place. Go through the prompts. It's literally a one-click pixel integration once you get to your Shopify store. So my favorite way to do it is this way. If you don't have Shopify, or if you have a custom coded website, you may need to do it manually, which is no problem. You would just go to create pixel. You would manually install the pixel code. So with the third-party integrations, you don't need to do anything on the back end of your site other than follow the steps there. It will place the pixel for you. It will track the events for you. It will be set up in a matter of minutes, and it'll be set up flawlessly. If you don't have that, you would go here, go to manually install your pixel, and then you'll choose between standard mode or developer mode. Most advertisers will only need standard mode. And then you would copy this code and install it on your site. Another thing that they recommend is to download the TikTok Pixel Helper, which I actually have as an app in my Chrome. So once you download that, then what will happen is when you open your website in Chrome, then when you go to the different pages on your site and you click add to cart, purchase, whatever it is, it will tell you if those events are firing. So if I do have a client where I have to place the TikTok Pixel manually, the Chrome Pixel Helper extension is super helpful, so I can QA it before the ads go live. So then you would complete and set up the rules. I always set up e-commerce events if I'm working with an e-commerce client. And essentially then you would set up what you want to track. So view content, add to cart, place an order, complete payment. And then what you'll do is you'll set up the rules once you install the pixel on the site based off of URLs. So if someone hits a certain URL, that would indicate to TikTok that they have initiated checkout or reached the thank you page if they've completed purchase. Or you can do it by button clicks. So it does get a bit more complicated when you're setting it up manually, but hopefully you're one of those lucky people who are on Shopify and you can do the one-step integration. But this isn't bad too. You would essentially just set up all the events you would want. You click next. Once the pixel is placed on your site, you'll be able to set up how those events are captured, whether through URLs or button clicks. Alrighty, hope this was helpful for setting up your TikTok Pixel.